Namaste. This is Shakti Palgoda from Mumbai, India. I'm a self-love coach, NLP master coach, miracle mastery coach, energy healer, and a motivational speaker. I'm glad to see you here. But guess what? I already knew that you're going to be here. This is because the vibrational frequency of your desire to know the truth behind manifestation and your passion to achieve your dream life has pulled you to this program. Friends, we all are connected with each other through certain vibrational frequencies. Everything in this world is nothing but energy. So, if you want to manifest any of your life goals, it is essential that you tune yourself to the vibrational frequency of that goal. After spending 10 years of my life with different spiritual gurus, mind power trainers, energy healers, life coaches across the world, I understood the truth and the secret behind the process of manifestation. But what I also discovered that more than 70% of people fail in manifesting the desired outcomes in life. This is because they don't know the secret behind the successful manifestation. Friends, the secret behind the manifestation is nothing but the state of your emotions. If your state of emotion is negative, your vibrational frequency becomes lower and your energy becomes negative. And this is where manifestation fails. So, if you want to manifest your life goals easily and successfully, you need to shed all your emotional poison, align your positive emotions with that of your goals, create the right vibrational frequency, and maintain that vibrational frequency with the help of self-love. But you must be thinking that it is easier said than done. Yes, it may sound you difficult because you may be thinking that it would require huge investment of time, money, and energy, and it may take practice of years of meditation and some specific spiritual skills. However, to solve this problem and make the manifestation process an easier one, I have come up with a uniquely designed program, which I call as Emotional Detox, the ultimate blueprint of manifestation, wherein I will give you 4-step formula of self-awareness, self-cleansing, self-alignment, and self-love, which will help you to not only shed all your negative emotions, but also will enable you to align your positive emotions with that of your goals, create the state of resourcefulness, and maintain it with self-love. Join this program and start your journey of manifestation with me. I look forward to help you to materialize your wellness, wealth, relationship, and success goals with ease and success.